The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, guys. Happy Thursday, fellas. Thank you, Ed. Good morning. Dennis, good morning. Thank you. Chris, good morning. Guys, very good morning. Happy Thursday. Chuck, good morning. Back at it. Market's doing the same thing, straight up. It's getting to be silly now. You guys are here on trial. Good morning and welcome. The overnight session was good. Gold on the Ninja Renko. Morning, Craig. Good to see you again. Yeah, man. Welcome back. I saw you come in as a trial. Good morning. Gold on the Ninja Renko hit daily goal. Copper on the Ninja Renko exceeded daily goal. And gold on the 15-minute also hit daily goal. So the overnight about $1,600 in the overnight. Crude was down $30, but that's a misleading number. It should have had goal. I got an error message again on crude, running it on an Buellnox account. Going to email the programmer today and find out where that update is. I thought I was going to have it Monday. I do not have it as of yet. And then this morning, NASDAQ on the 1 minute is down 1160. So I'm down on the NASDAQ, up on everything else. And I will continue, obviously, to run the NASDAQ. The NASDAQ down 1160 is on evaluations. We do have a Fed speaker at 9 a.m. Hopefully he's done. Oh, one last thing. NASDAQ on the 1 minute. This is the test settings I've been working with. Hit daily goal, 1575. Daily goal is 1500. So the 1 minute settings, the test settings, which I really dig. This basically took one trade and got daily goal. Back here, took this long at 3:06 a.m. and hit daily goal. Looks like we're going to get a 1 minute short. Unfortunately, we won't get that on the we are not going to get that on the bot because it's after 8 a.m. Let's see here. In any event, guys, good morning. We're back at it. We'll see what we can come up with today. We do have continuing and initial jobless claims at 8:30. We also have a Fed speaker at 9. So we shall see what we get. It looks like we're coming back down, and I think we probably make it to 52.75, which was yesterday's close, and potentially we work back to VWAP. Positive delta of 975, but volume is pathetic. Less than yesterday. Yesterday's volume, I think, was around, we were 23,000 contracts light. And today we're about the same, I guess. So low volume moves again. These up moves are on low volume, which I don't like. No one should. There's obviously not a lot of volume pushing it higher. So we'll see what we can come up with today, both from the bots. For those of you guys that are on trial, as a reminder, the gold, copper, and crude run from 1 a.m. until 6 a.m. Eastern time. They run early morning, which they tend to trade better in the early morning, the overnight session. Those will not run any longer. They've all hit daily goal. Well, with the exception of crude, which was down $30. But again, I got an error message. Nothing else will run now until 9:30 from an automated standpoint. Okay? So we'll have some discretionary trades, ideally between here and 9 a.m. when I take my breakfast break. And then after the market opens, we'll see if we can get some profitable trades here with the automated system. In any event, I will run, this is the Ninja Renko. I will run this also on an evaluation with a trade copier. So I'm just running it on two. I had four accounts that renewed with Buell Knox. And we'll go from there. Let's get on with it. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. All right, guys. Let's take a look at some charts. All right. Copper. Small positive delta on copper, which just sold off down to one standard deviation and has bounced off of a deviation. I don't have a long on copper. Yeah, I don't have a long. I actually think it's coming down. Gold is selling. We're getting a bounce in gold, but we broke structure on the 3-minute. Negative delta of 1,000 contracts. We'll look at it on another chart, but we did break structure here. I would expect this to come to 33.25. I'll watch gold. Crude, small positive delta. I don't know what this spike up and back down was. Maybe there was some news. Looks like we're getting a bid, maybe back to $68. And silver has been in longs. It's going to have to clear initial resistance at 985. maybe 37, but that area. Watch crude. These are the levels I marked on NASDAQ. We breached this upper level. Probably get a pullback to 49, maybe 50 area. Bottom of the 2-minute cloud here, going to be a little support. Come on, keep coming. Need to get that 45.75. Got a sequential decline, 632. Next 5-minute bar coming. Trade runners, guys, always as you see fit. We have support in here. Got this low volume area, 240-minute support. They're going to have to sell them harder than this. Buyers showing up here. I am on the close. I don't really want this back above 54. Sellers again. No. Come on, dog. I want that 68 to be resistance. All right, guys. I'm going to kill this in about 1 second. Oh, come on. It's fouling yesterday's close. Can't push through yesterday's close. But we need to break. We got to get below this 45, this second swing here, that higher low here. Come on. Don't put in a higher low. Come on. We're holding this freaking support. This low volume area. Come on, push. Sell them. 905 on the delta.
I'm holding 40. I don't know where your next target is at.
Yeah, right above that 38 quarter would be my next target. I'm with you on that. This 41 is going to be a little bit of support, right? Value area high. I'm not saying we're slow, but we're really not moving. Come on, take those swings. There we go. We breached it. Let's go. Come on. Got a big seller here, 17 contracts. 18 now. They're blowing it out there. Come on. No volume, guys. 387 contracts have traded in this bar. Come on, we broke that support. It should keep coming.
Break it. There it is.
There we go. Now we got him. We get that swing and we're getting that target at VWAP, guys. Here comes break of structure. That's that swing there. We're at value area high support here. This has to break. Going to get a bounce off this. So this is a place to take some risk off if you're trading multiple still. Come on, flush them. I'm going to drop my stop down to that pivot at 56. But I'll hit close before it gets anywhere near that if it bounces. We could hit this break of structure and bounce.
Come on, give me some targets.
What's your next target?
I'm still holding for 40. That was my first target.
Oh, okay. Damn. 3 ticks and you're hanging in there. My man. My man. I want that $15.
I got a target at 3150, and then
There we go. Okay, guys, we broke structure. We could get a bounce here. This is some support. We do have a sequential decline. 15.6. No more. There we go. Come on, push them here and we get VWAP. VWAP's been yanked higher. Probabilities are we're going to blow VWAP. We still have a positive delta. So if we hit VWAP, we bounce once and then it's going to, should go. Got support at 34 and 33 area. This could bounce back to 46.
I don't know what happened this morning on crude, but there was a spike.
Yeah, what was that? Up and down? What was that?
Yeah, I have no idea. I looked through the news. I never really found out what it was.
Epstein was involved in gas and oil exploration.
But he's got no notes on it.
Are you still talking about that? Really? All right. I took it off, guys. I'm flat. I'll take the half a grand on first trade of the day. I still think it can come, but this 52 area is kind of a magnet back to flat on the day. Trade him as you see fit. You guys good? There's the 46. Top of this zone is back to 50. Is back in a long. Looks like it's taken target 1. We'll see what that does. Let me get stuff on here. All right, good to go. Anybody have any questions? All right, target 2 filled. All right, guys. Here's yesterday's high, 112. Here we go. This should go to 84. Seen this movie. Not a lot of buying here. Support here. See if it holds. All right, out. It's only up 2,200 now. All right, ES canceled. No fill. What am I missing? Oh, I'm out on the order flow trade. All right. ES is short. Down to 67 positive delta. What are we holding? And we're holding a low volume area. Buyers here. Come on, turkey.
Add in on this trade and get back down here.
To where, Greg?
15.75 will be an add-in for me.
15.75.
17.
Okay.
17.75.
Not much in the way of buyers.
Nope.
Back to this damn entry. Come on, breakdown. Let's go. Couldn't be any flatter if they tried. Keeps tagging entry but won't break. Come on, let's go. Come on, yes. Higher lows, right? Higher low here. We got to get below 24.75 initially. This wants to go back up. It's back above VWAP. Anybody know if the Fed speaker is still? All right, ES guys, got target. Finally, got a target on ES. NASDAQ hit target, didn't fill me. 23. Yeah, it should have filled. Came to 20. No, 23 quarter. Missed me by a tick, it looks like. A couple ticks. This is it with the trade copier.
Oh, doesn't matter.
Come on, you rat bag. God, for 5 handles? The hell is that? There's nothing at 23.75. Nothing. Inside bar. Come on, take out that little. There we go. Come on.
There
All
it
right.
is.
Got target on the NASDAQ. And I'm shutting this off. All right. So this is on trade copier. That's funny. The lead account did 420. Did hit target. The follower account's up $125 more. That's funny. ES is going to just goof around. Got target 1.
Oh, well done.
Thank you, brother. Come on. A little more bounce. Little more bounce. Let's go. Come on. Target 2 done. Now free. Here we go. Let's go back up to VWAP at 33. So that's going to be my final 32. I'll take 14 to 32 if we can get it. Here we go. Here we go. Come on. A little more oomph. A little more oomph. They're buying them furiously now. They bought 3.
Oh.
Oh my God. We're up to 38 contract positive delta. Wow. Come on. Come on. Come on. Can't do it. Looks like me trying to get up 315 on the bench press. I'm flat. Flat. S gets target. It's done for the day. It'll be at $800. It'll be done. This is about as pathetic as it gets, fellas. Come on. Ticks. Look at this. Hit target. Hit target again. It's done for the day. $800.
Think about this copper short at 15 area.
I like copper to come down.
May not go far though. That's my only problem.
Hmm.
We could support at 690.
I think I nailed the low. That's my opinion. If we get above this 41, the next target is 60. Above 41, we get 60. Come on, get above that. Let's go. Come on, rock and roll it. Rock it and roll it. Let's go. We broke 41. I want 60. I want 60. $61. I'll take 59. I'll take 58. 58. Come on, 58, baby. Break that 51 and we go, go, go. Come on. Got a seller. 35 bricks. Oh, 90 seller here. They just took him out. Come on. All right. Good enough. Half a grand on a PA account. 1,300 on an evaluation. It was a quick trade. Target filled.
All right, next target on copper is going to be 670.
670. Okay. All right. So now if we maintain a higher low, I'll take the long above that on a 1 minute break. Come on. Give me a target. Be the man, Danny. Be the man. Come on down. Yeah, come on. Yeah, of course there'll be rules, Kelly. There has to be. But you know, we'll be straight to a funded account. There is no evaluations. Just hanging in there, guys. I think it's going up, but hang on one second, guys. Come on, come get target. We have support at 38. No real selling. We could come down to 30. 30, it bounced 38. Hit support. It's going to have to break. There it goes. Come on. Yeah, that's going to be it. We got to 37. I'm watching for the long from an order flow standpoint. So we're still, if this busts, no, Don, no. This is going to go to a loss. This is trying to squeeze up. This is going up. This is going to push up to around 68. He's still speaking. $65 is resistance. I'm looking to be long guys above 68.50. He's still screaming to lower the rate. He isn't going to get Powell to do anything. He did this in his first damn term. Same horse shit. Well, it held. I don't think it comes down. I think it's going to break up and we're going to 995, guys, to VWAP. And then we're going to 025. Craig, one, depending on the size of the account, I wouldn't be trading 3 contracts. And 2, this already hit daily goal. This was up $595. Hit daily goal. I just reset it to let it keep trading. Right? So, you wouldn't do that ordinarily, but what he's still speaking, guys, but I do think we're going up. They are buying some, but 68.5 is kind of the area that has to break. Okay, that's out. This is what I want to break.